Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can enable RCS messaging on iPhone in iOS 18. So let's start the video. To enable RCS messaging on iPhone, first open up the settings application. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. On the apps menu, scroll down and tap on messages. In the messages menu, scroll down to find RCS messaging and tap on it. Here, you can enable and disable RCS messaging in your iPhone. And after enabling it, you will be able to send high quality pictures and videos.